The lawyer never prepared me for the interview, my case for court, or USCIS. He just took what I had and sent it off. Some are even proud to say this, like everything was fine. And they're really surprised when they send us their cases for even a free evaluation. Turned out things aren't great after all. I posted about it on our Telegram. Many ask how to find USASYL. It's just one word. Search US, then asylum, to find our political asylum group. I posted about why checking your case, preparing for court, and your interview, or caring about evidence isn't just an option. No, it's not about whether that's optional. I wrote directly that it's a red flag if a lawyer doesn't even bother to look into your case and just files it, because usually that means they're violating several professional standards at once. And now I can actually read it to you. There's Rule 1.1, and if you adapt it, translate it into Russian basically, preparing the client isn't just what separates a good lawyer from a bad one. It's not just an option, it's a legal obligation. There's also something about careless filing of documents. That's Rule 1.3. Without working through the case. That's a violation. Usually it's a violation. There's also Rule 1.4, which deals with communication with you. If your lawyer fails to explain things or ask questions, that's a communication breach. They must explain your case so you understand and can make informed decisions. There are also federal regulations, and in those federal regulations, specifically statutes 293.3 and 292.3, it's spelled out in detail what a lawyer must and must not do. It states that incompetent handling of a case can lead to disciplinary consequences, up to and including loss of license, meaning disbarment from practicing law. There's also the Matter of Lozada, which is known as the Lozada complaint. This was a case from 1988, a decision by the Board of Immigration Appeals, or the Appellate Board. And basically, what does it say? It says that ineffective assistance of counsel can be grounds for reopening a case if the attorney failed to do their job properly. Basically, if your attorney filed everything really quickly and didn't ask a single question, that's probably a bad sign, because in 99% of cases, the case needs further work. What could be wrong? There could be contradictions in the testimony, logical gaps, missing dates, or a lack of chronology. Key pieces of evidence might be missing. The story might not be made up or anything like that. No, it could just be presented in such a way that you wouldn't be able to withstand or get through a cross examination with that story. So, in this case, losing isn't because there wasn't a case, but because the attorney didn't do their job. USAS Shalom. Come and read this text in full. If your attorney was completely unprepared, they likely violated legal codes. Good luck. Bye.